Hi, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we're talking about how to share your Pinterest profile. Maybe you want to connect with friends or showcase your amazing boards to a wider audience. So today I'm going to show you how to share your Pinterest profile. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So let's start. First, open your Pinterest application and log into your account. Once you're logged in, tap on this profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page. On this page, I can show you two ways on how to share your Pinterest profile. First, tap on this three dots icon located at the top right corner. A menu will appear, and here, you should select this copy profile link option. After that, you can now share your Pinterest profile with others. You can paste the link in a message, email, or any social media platform of your choice. Another way to share your Pinterest profile is by tapping on the share button at the top right of the screen. A menu will appear below, and here you can see several apps where you can share your profile. Simply tap on the application that you want and share your profile to your friends, family, and other close acquaintances. There you go. If you wanted to know how to share a Pinterest profile, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to share a Pinterest profile, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.